How to unlock temporarily suspended Cash App account. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unlock your temporarily suspended Cash App account. So if your Cash App account is temporarily suspended, it's usually due to security checks or incorrect login attempts or even unverified information. So to unlock it safely, first you need to go ahead and log in with your correct credentials. Go to Cash App, and once you are on your login page, just enter the exact email or phone number that you used. Enter the verification code they sent to you. You can also go ahead and verify your identity again. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and open Cash App. Then you need to go to your profile and personal identification. Submit your real full name, date of birth, and last four digits of your social security number for US accounts only. Then upload a clear picture of your government ID. And after you have done that, you can remove any VPN or proxy because Cash App usually blocks accounts with suspicious IP addresses. All you have to do is basically turn off your VPN or proxy. So what I'm going to do here is go to my notification. As you can see, I'm connected to a VPN. I can just tap on it, and I'll just tap on disconnect over here and tap on disconnect again, and you're going to be good to go. Now, finally, if none of this works, then you need to go ahead and contact Cash App support. So go to the web browser and simply search for Cash App support and hit enter. Once you have done that, it'll give you the Cash App support over here. Just tap on it. Basically explain to them that there's nothing suspicious going on with your account and everything is normal. It was just a mistake and you're going to be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. Once your identity is verified and you contacted support, Cash App typically unblocks the suspended accounts within 24 to 48 hours. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.